Hello everyone. Welcome to Online Help Guide channel. Today, in this video, we are going to show you how to save videos from Telegram to gallery. So let's start. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the Telegram app. Once you open the app, you will see your chat list. Open the chat or group from where you want to save the video. Look for the video you want to download and click on 3 vertical dots. There, you will find the Save to Downloads option. Tap on it, and Telegram will start to download the video. I hope this video tutorial was helpful and you are able to save videos from Telegram to gallery. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.